now we're here at 120th and First Avenue, and we're about to duck into this really cool spot over here. It's some kind of burgers and cupcakes. Hi guys.
Oh, hey.
See? You have to come to Harlem to have people talk to you like this. My God, you're in Manhattan. They never talk to you like this. I love these people. I love these people. We got to sign a waiver with them. You want to get famous?
What do we have to sign?
This is called You're Famous Tonight.
Nothing.
That was great. We love you on camera. Oh, I love your glasses. Thank you guys. We're going in.
You should go in, right?
Okay.
Not only do they have an A+,
A+.
but the burgers that they make is like cake. They say cake burgers.
Cake burgers?
Yes.
So
And what's your name, dear?
My name is Tina Turner.
Tina Turner up here on 121st Ave. We're getting the
right.
cake burgers tonight.
Yes.
Yes.
You're gonna enjoy
I
it. You're
can't
gonna
wait.
be like, good. Yeah.
Good, here we go.
Yeah.
Don't forget to get their potatoes, the swirl potato with the cheese all over it on the stick. It's like a shish
That's
kebab
finger licking.
potato.
That's finger licking.
We're going in. I love you guys.
Wait,
Thank
is
you
this
so much.
Is this,
Thank you so
wait,
much.
is this a
Love
big
it.
show or an OnlyFans account?
Here they come. Love you guys.
Enjoy.
Love you guys. I love Harlem. I love Harlem.
You know,
Look at this car.
I'm from California. We know how to hotwire things, so.
And this is one. I mean, this is a classic. What is it, a Studebaker? An Edsel?
What is this?
It's an Oldsmobile. This is the owner of Cake Burgers. This is her car. Look at this car. This is the car I want to drive down Fifth Avenue.
Ron, you drove this when you were 16 when it was brand new.
That's true. Here we go. Let's go to the Cake Burger.
Hola.
Look at this place, huh? This is Cake Burger, huh?
How are
They've been
you?
talking about this downtown. They said
Really?
you've got to go uptown and go to the Cake Burger. I'm Ron.
Hi, Ron.
And this is Christy.
Hi, Christy.
And
How
we
are
want
you?
we want to put a bid on your car. That's the first thing we want to start.
Oh, big.
Yes,
You
yes,
gotta
we
wait
like
till- You gotta wait for it to go on eBay.
Beautiful. How long you guys been in business?
Three years. This November makes 3 years.
November. Okay.
We opened up 4 months before the pandemic.
Really? And what's your specialty here?
Cakes and burgers.
Cakes and burgers. You put them together?
What's your most famous item?
So we do cake sculptures,
Oh, that's gorgeous.
and then we also do burgers. Right now he's making burgers.
What a mix. Like those two.
What is
Those are
the
the.
most popular item on your menu?
It's the all-American cheeseburger. The all-American.
All American. So it lettered in football?
And then we have
Ah,
our cake burgers,
this
which
is what I've
is
been
We've been talking about these cake burgers.
Right?
There's nowhere in the world where there's a cake burger.
no
Nowhere in the world is there a cake burger except right here.
right here.
in Harlem.
Cake burger.
Cake burgers in Harlem?
Yeah.
What do we got there? What are we looking at right there?
So we got a vanilla cake and we got chocolate cake with buttercream and some guayaba, and that's what brings it together, the guayaba.
Whose ingenious idea was this? You came up with this stuff?
I did, because I like sweets.
Is it sweets?
You gotta like sweets. You gotta love sweets.
You gotta love what you do to be good at it.
And then we have, we're introducing.
What else?
Oh,
What is this?
so we're introducing our sweet dogs. So it's,
That's adorable.
so this is actually cake, and then it's actually cake pop. And kids like cake pops.
Pops? Wait, cake pops?
Cake pops. You never heard of cake pops?
I never heard of cake pops. Have you heard of cake pops?
Pops. There's no vaccine for this one. Don't worry.
Cake
Oh
pops.
my God.
Yeah. So this is we do this, and then
Mustard. You can have mustard on your cake.
Yes.
Mustard on your cake.
So we do that.
you moron.
Oh, this is.
Uh-oh.
Look at it, right? Look at this guy. He's coming out. That's our star of the night.
Yeah.
You make it all happen. This guy makes you happy.
These are a plain cheeseburger
Just a
with
regular
fries.
cheeseburger. Look
Yeah.
how good that looks.
Because he just likes
The
the,
fries?
yes,
He wants it. How does he want it?
just
Medium
straight
rare?
burger.
Oh yeah, medium.
Medium, just perfect. How are the burgers here? What do you think of the burgers here?
He's gonna try it right now.
This your first time ever?
First time.
Oh my God. We got a lucky contestant.
Yeah.
We may have to edit the response, but anyway, no. Just kidding. You never know. You never know on Ron and Friends.
So we have cake burger minis.
Oh, those are so cute.
Little sliders.
Yeah.
I could have those slides out right now. I would love
You could. Open up that throat, queen. All right.
So we have this
Drag
one,
queens
that
don't
one.
like these because it makes their hands look big. Shade.
So
So that's why you gotta use this.
So what, you got little minis
See how,
and
see how
then the
small
big
my
one.
hand looks holding this?
These are for the babies.
Look how
And they're so nice, they're little finger pops.
But you know, I usually push this for people who are gonna have birthdays at bars and stuff like that, so you don't have big cakes.
Yeah, yeah. So people can
little
just
pieces of
Yeah.
digging into the cake.
like hors d'oeuvres. They're like little hors d'oeuvres.
Exactly.
What'd you call me?
She is
The order.
She is too good on these cake burgers.
That's what we do.
I love what you do here. I wish you guys the best of success here. This is like an amazing business.
Thank you.
Cake Burgers, 400 East 120th Street.
And you guys deliver and all that stuff?
We do through Grubhub, through Uber, and if you live across the street, I'll walk it across the street.
Well, I'm moving across the street tomorrow, so
There
you have to
go.
come over.
There you go.
Like, I'm gonna be living in Hell's Kitchen, so.
And there's
Oh, you know, what's the school around there? Park
what?
West, 50th Street between 10th and 11th Avenue.
Yes, I know very
So that was
well.
my stopping grounds for, let me see, I was in high school for 7 years.
Oh, very
I was
nice.
called a super duper senior.
Super duper senior.
Got it, girl.
Yeah, but I did it.
You did? Who
You got
cares
through.
how
You
long?
got
Got
through.
through it.
Thank God you got
right.
through, so you can
Listen.
give us these cake burgers.
That's exactly
If
it.
she
And we're
hadn't
go-
done 7 years, we wouldn't have had this. Think if she
No.
only did 4, what we would have got. Not this.
Those 7 got us a cake burgers. She stayed in just long enough to
like
come up with the
medical school.
idea.
Uh-huh.
She went to medical school.
So we're doing a comedy show tonight on 117. There's a comedy club now. It's
I
just
know, he
So
told.
comedy club in Harlem. We're doing this. We're
Comedy
gonna
in
do a
Harlem.
couple sets tonight. There.
We close at 11 unless you're there until after 11.
You know
Yeah.
how things start in this neighborhood. A
Got
little later
you.
over there, jeez.
Got you. Got you.
No, it'll be done by then. Yeah,
So
it'll
we're
be done
just
by like
checking,
10
we're checking
o'clock.
out. We're just so happy to be here. Thank you so much for
I
having
was telling Alan that I wanted to go there because it's on my bucket list.
us. Yeah.
Got a girl.
It's on my bucket list. Yeah, I want to do that. I want to do it.
Do you have an Instagram or a
I do.
TikTok?
I do.
So what's the handle?
Cake_burgers.
Oh, yeah. No, there's no one in history that's ever come up with a cake burger except right here,
That's
this
it.
lady, the queen of cake burgers. By the way, how's the burger? Oh my God, it's almost done. You can't even get a reaction.
Quiet.
He's totally stuffed. Don't
When
talk to
people
me. He's got
don't
it in his
talk
mouth.
when they eat, it means it's good.
Very
If
good.
you're chatty, it means it's shit.
One of the best burgers
no
I've ever
joke.
had. No joke. And the baby just said they love the burger. Look at the baby said, I love the burger.
I'm cutting teeth just so I can eat one.
He's a regular.
He's a regular.
He's a regular,
I
and
love it. God bless.
I can have filet mignon, and he'll be like, "Give me the burger."
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You love, that's it.
Yeah.
These burgers are it.
Yeah,
These
yeah.
burgers are it. Wow.
Behind this,
Yeah.
you can't see over there.
Yes.
That's the man that makes it happen. So does she. But
That's the guy. You
That's
don't want
the
to show
son.
He's behind the curtain. You just never show that. You never show behind the
He
curtain.
showed his face when he brought the plate out, you moron.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot. Oh yeah. I forgot.
Jeff wanted to marry him if I didn't.
Wow.
Instead of-
But instead he had babies. Look at here's what you did.
If a man can cook, you suck
Oh
his...
my God.
He did. He said he wanted to marry
Would you have
him.
cake burgers at the
you gotta
wedding?
make sure you hear the no homo. I'm from New York. You gotta make sure you hear the no homo.
I love 'em. Oh my God, cake burgers at the wedding too for those two. For the anniversary. Anyway, so what?
For the anniversary.
Oh, we're loving this
Oh,
show.
this is my favorite
We got everything. So happy.
We
So happy
actually
these
got
people.
married this year,
Who did?
Alejandro and I.
Well, congratulations.
After 12 years.
That's so beautiful.
Just-
Pop the question, huh?
I just wanted to make sure he cooks
Rush into
good.
anything, you know?
I just wanted to make sure he cooked good. That's all.
That's it. You're like, you know what? You can do this. Let's
She
get
gave him
married.
12 years to perfect it before she tied the knot. She's
You
like,
have
all
to.
right, finally you got the burger right. Now you can get this muff right. Hey, no.
Congratulations. Sorry for the babies in the house. Had to hear
They
that.
likes my material.
Yeah, exactly.
I wanted to show you my wedding cake.
Oh my God! Can you imagine her wedding cake? What it looks like?
Oh, so let me ask you, what do you think was my wedding cake?
All
A
right.
giant burger.
So what? So what? So what? This is my wedding cake.
Wedding cake.
That's amazing. Best wedding cake
Look at that
ever.
wedding cake.
That's amazing.
Got it.
You If you ever thought when you said, I love burgers, no one ever loved burgers the way they love burgers here.
No.
They
We
do it at
love
their weddings, these people. They love burgers. You are the queen champion of hamburgers and cheeseburgers and cakes. And Alejandro, he's got to be right there behind every great woman. There's a great chef in the kitchen. All right, so listen, thank you so much for having us into your place. I'm Ron and Christy, and we just want to say thank you for the fun.
Nice to meet you.
This is a lovely place. The patrons are incredible too. People outside, we wish you nothing but the best of luck. Thanks for having us at Cake Burger. How long have you lived in Harlem? 5 years? How is it? You loving it? It's so. You got these three?
Yeah, I have a super.
Very nice, great.
nice.
Oh, very nice. Love it here.
You want to move here?
I don't know yet. We're trying to find out. We just ate at a couple places. We're just trying to meet the people.
Huh?
What's the rent like?
Well, it's not high, it's not low, but
It's not high. It's not low. I love how he talks.
It's like Three Bears. It's just right.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, but we
Ron and
have a
Chris.
lot of good people on this block.
I'm really liking
I
it here.
love this
Thank you so
building.
much. Thank you so much.
You have a good night.
Wow. So this is what you want.